Perhaps the most important skill in managing a team is to be able to manage and delegate work. This requires care to ensure that you delegate effectively while still retaining sufficient control. You also need to ensure that you delegate in such a way that you motivate your team and that nobody is overburdened. There are a number of different leadership styles: authoritarian, democratic, laissez-faire, transactional, transformational. 020300405. Lewin's leadership styles: authoritarian leaders, democratic leaders, laissez leaders. Authoritarian leaders make decisions without consulting their team members. Even if their input could be useful, there is no need for team input, can lead to a high staff turnover and high levels of staff absence. Democratic leaders make the final decisions, but include their team in the decision-making. They encourage creativity. Team members tend to have high job satisfaction, not always an effective style when you need to make a quick decision. Laissez-faire leaders give their staff a lot of freedom in how they do their work. They provide support with resources and advise if needed. High job satisfaction can show challenges if staff don't manage their time well, or if they don't have knowledge, skills, or self-motivation to do their work effectively. Transformational leaders: high emotional intelligence, shared vision, self-aware, good communication, empathic. Transactional leaders motivate employees through rewards and punishments. The subordinates have to obey the orders of the superior. The subordinates are not self-motivated. They have to be closely monitored and controlled to get the work done from them. Appraisal and supervision are important elements in ensuring positive outcomes. They have a crucial role to play in the development, retention, and motivation of the workforce. They establish a transparent basis for future development based on evidence-driven objectives. Supervision is an effective strategy for developing the workforce and improving services. Supervision is an important component of professional practice development that helps to ensure ethical, quality service provision to service users and staff alike. The benefits of supervision: better outcomes for service users, better professional relationships, opportunities to reflect and link knowledge and practice, increased confidence, skill development, greater awareness and understanding, reduced stress. Aims of supervision: promote communication. It helps managers understand workers' goals and workers understand organizational goals. Both try to satisfy each other's goals and thus contribute to organizational productivity. Promote motivation. Supervision, along with two-way communication, motivates the workers to achieve the organizational targets. Evaluate performance. Supervision evaluates the performance of workers and determines their compensation packages. People who achieve the standards are paid incentives than those who achieve less than standards. Improve performance. If workers are not able to achieve the targets, supervision helps in guiding and improving their performance. Appraisal. The act of assessing something or someone. An appraisal is a meeting in which an employee discusses his or her progress, aims, and needs at work with his or her manager or employer. Many companies operate regular job appraisals, often on an annual basis. Importance of appraisals: make your people feel valued. The formal appraisal is a great opportunity to give your employees sincere feedback, spurring them on to work smarter and better. Set new goals. Setting achievable targets during the appraisal helps to motivate employees and empowers them to feel more confident when they hit them. Resolve grievances. The appraisal is a great time to address any concerns you or they may have. Strengthen bonds. It's important for team cohesion and overall productivity that managers have good relationships with their team. Refocusing your team. Appraisals can be used to help communicate your vision to team members. This is your chance to clarify and articulate your vision, ensuring that everyone is singing from the same hymn sheet. 04. Step back to assess team direction. Oversight on current projects' formal appraisals are a good opportunity to step away from the hustle and bustle of everyday work and reflect upon the overarching direction your team is heading and assess the training needs of your team. Different people within your team will have different strengths. Use the appraisal to assess your employees' weaknesses, identifying areas which may require additional training and support. Both employee recruitment and retention are important to the growth and success of your organization or business. However, there's no point in recruiting new team members if you can't keep your current ones. In the big picture of business success, employee retention is more important. Employee recruitment and retention are major challenges that many employers and HR teams struggle with. For instance, these days employees are increasingly demanding a more balanced work life and aren't willing to sacrifice everything for their careers. What is employee recruitment? Both employee recruitment and retention are important to the growth and success of your organization or business. However, there's no point in recruiting new team members if you can't keep your current ones. What is employee retention? Employee retention is another important function of HR and describes the number of employees you retain year over year or any other specific period of time. Jobs with a higher retention rate often point to happier and more satisfied employees. In conclusion, high employee retention rates are a strong testament to the quality of working within your organization. Employee recruitment and retention bring significant benefits once you recruit and hire the right people. The focus shifts to retaining them. This leads to motivated, hardworking employees and helps your organization build a positive and attractive reputation. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us via WhatsApp 07000 484 300 and 61688.